Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Kearny, New Jersey, just wrapping up a French door application. We're using 3/8 inch low iron tempered glass with the Enduroshield coating on it. All the hardware is in polished chrome. We also have a couple of rope hooks here in square series so that we can match all the hardware in the bathroom. So we're pretty much wrapped up with this. We've given a nice thorough cleaning as far as the glass wise, and now it's just sanitizing time. So nowadays we're more prepared and a little more conscientious about what we touch. All right, the last thing to sanitize is the outside door handle. And that way, when we come out, we use the same rag, close the door behind us, bathroom is good. Then when we reach any other doors that we've accessed throughout the house, we go ahead and disinfect those as well. And then, of course, the front door if the client hasn't let us in. So, if you have any questions about the process of this, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, mjglassdoors.com.